Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to begin with the e-learning classes of second year statistics. Now let us move on to the first chapter of statistics, that is vital statistics. You all have come across the meaning of statistics in your previous class. Now let us recall, what do you mean by statistics? Statistics is analysis, interpretation, presentation of numerical data. Statistics is analysis, interpretation and presentation of numerical data. What do you mean by the word vital? Vital means it is important. Therefore, in together, vital statistics is nothing but important statistics. Vital statistics is nothing but important statistics. As you all know, among all the living creatures, human beings or human population is treated most important because of their thinking ability. Human population is responsible for the development of country. Hence, the study of human population is called demography. The statistical study of human population is known as demography. Now let us know the meaning of vital statistics detail. Vital statistics is a branch of statistics which deals with the events of human population. Vital statistics is the branch of statistics which deals with the events of human population. Now, what are the events here? Events are nothing but birth, death and marriages, etc. Events are nothing but birth, death, marriages, etc. Now let us move on to the definition of vital statistics. The definition is given by B. Benjamin. Let us know what does B. Benjamin defines about vital statistics. Definition: vital statistics are conventionally numerical records of marriages, birth, sickness and deaths by which the health and growth of a community may be studied. Vital statistics are conventionally numerical records of marriages, birth, sickness and deaths by which the health and growth of a community may be studied. Next, let us know about the methods of obtaining vital statistics. What are the methods of obtaining vital statistics? Now, there are two methods here. First method is registration method. And second method is census enumeration method. Now, let us know in detail what is registration method. In this method, vital events like birth, marriages, deaths, etc. are recorded continuously by government authorities like Grama Panchayats, municipal corporation, corporation offices, etc. These maintain the records of vital events. In registration method, vital events like birth, marriages, deaths, etc. are recorded continuously by government authorities like Grama Panchayat, municipal corporation, corporation officers, etc. Now here we have come across in our day-to-day life, we see that birth and death are recorded in Grama Panchayats, especially whenever you have gone to apply for your birth certificate for any of the changes to be done, you might have gone to either to the Grama Panchayat or to the municipal corporation. But marriages, those most probably they have been recorded in corporation offices. Next, in case of birth, while birth, what are the details taken? Now, the information regarding the date of birth, name of the parents, sex of the newborn baby, nationality, religion, place of birth, residential address, etc. will be registered. In case of birth of child, the information taken are or recorded are the date of birth, name of parents, sex of newborn baby, nationality, religion, place of birth, residential address, etc. will be recorded. In case of death, the details collected are date of death, name of the deceased, parents or husband's or wife's name, address, etc. are been registered. In case of death, date of death, name of the deceased, parents, husband's or wife's name of the deceased, address, etc. are been registered. Next, let us move on to the second method of obtaining vital statistics, that is census enumeration method. We have come across the word census, and in India and most of the countries, population census is conducted once in a 10 years. In India, lastly census was conducted in 2011 and now it will be conducted in 2021, that is once in a 10 years. So this is known as a census. Now what are the data collected during census? Data collected are sex, age, marital status, educational status, occupation, etc., which are necessary for vital statistics. I repeat, sex, age, marital status, educational status, occupation, etc. are recorded for the vital statistics, and these information are recorded during the census year only. Now our records are recorded in 2011. Now what about 2012, 2013? There are no continuous record fed during intercensal year. Now what do you mean by the word intercensal? Intercensal means, for example, now 2011 to 2021 is the census year. Now the years between census years, they are 2012, 2013, so on up to 2020 are intercensal years. So intercensal years means the years between the census years. That means if the census year, for example, if the census year is from 2011 to 2021, the years between 2011 to 2021 are called as intercensal years. Next, we are going to study about the measurement of population for intercensal year. Measurement of population for intercensal year. Now, how the population is being calculated during intercensal year? Now, a method is being there. So, to apply this method, we need to assume that population is growing at a constant rate. Population ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯು increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು assume ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The information regarding birth, deaths and migration are been noted first. To apply this method, first we need to assume that the population is growing in a constant ratio. Next, the information regarding the births, deaths and migration. In migration now there are two types. One is immigration, other one is emigration. What do you mean by the word immigration or immigrants? Immigrants are those people from foreign coming to our country, that is India. Immigrants are those people from foreign coming to our country, that is India. And emigrants are those people going from our country to foreign. Emigrants are those people going from our country to foreign. So we need to know under migration there are two types, that is immigrants and emigrants. After that we should know the population of the previous year. Then only we can calculate the population of a intercensal year. Now just recall what is needed to calculate the population of intercensal year. First we need to assume that the population is growing at a constant ratio. Secondly, we should know the birth, deaths and migration, especially immigration and emigration, and also the population of the previous year. Next is formula for calculating population for intercensal year. Let us study now the formula for intercensal year for the calculation of population. Formula is PT is equal to P naught plus B minus D plus I minus E. Now let us know what are these terms. PT means estimate of population after time t. We need to calculate the particular year population. So PT represents that. PT is nothing but the estimate of population after time t. P naught is population in the previous census year. P naught is the population in the previous census year. B is equal to total number of live births during the given period. D is equal to total number of deaths during the given period. I is equal to total number of immigrants. E is equal to total number of emigrants. Let me recall. PT is equal to estimate of population after time t. P naught is equal to population in the previous census year. B is equal to total number of live births during the given period. D is equal to total number of deaths during the given period. I is equal to total number of immigrants. E is equal to the total number of emigrants. Dear students, try to remember these terms, very important and needed for the calculation. Easily you can remember. P naught is nothing but previous year population. B is equal to births, live births. D is equal to deaths. I is equal to immigrants. E is equal to emigrants. Now let us try with an example. Let us try to solve an example. Given the following data, estimate the population of a town at the end of 2013. So we need to calculate the population at the end of 2013. So we should know one thing, that is the birth, death and migrations of 2013, and we should know the previous year population. So let us see what is given. Population at the end of 2012, 4 lakh. Number of births in 2013, 60,000. Number of deaths in 2013, 10,000. Number of immigrants in 2013, 20,000. Number of emigrants in 2013 is 4,000. So our formula is PT is equal to P naught plus PT is equal to P naught plus B minus D plus I minus E. So P naught is given, B is given, D is given, I is given, and E is given. So let us now solve the problem. Solution: given P naught is equal to 4 lakh, B is equal to 60,000, D is equal to 10,000, I is equal to 20,000, and E is equal to 40,000. So formula says PT is equal to P naught plus B minus D plus I minus E. Therefore, we need to calculate the population of 2013, that is equal to 4 lakh plus 60,000 minus 10,000 plus 20,000 minus 4,000. First solve within the brackets. So 4 lakh plus 50,000 plus 16,000, which will give you in total 4 lakh 66,000. Next, let us move on to the next example. Let us calculate the population for the year 2018 from the following given data. We should know the population from the given data. The given data is: births are given 6,000, deaths are given 2,000, immigration 8,000, emigration 4,000, and P naught, that is the population of the previous year, it is 1 lakh. We know the formula, that is PT is equal to P naught plus B minus D plus I minus E. So we need to calculate the population of P 2018, which is equal to 1 lakh plus 6,000 minus 2,000 plus 8,000 minus 4,000. So 1 lakh plus 4,000 plus 4,000, which in total will give you 1 lakh 8,000. Next, we will move on to the uses of statistics. What are the uses of statistics? They are of great use in planning, evaluation of economic and social development of a country. They are used in planning, evaluation of economic and social development of a country. Second one, they are also useful for government agencies for administrative purposes. Government agencies for their administrative purposes. Third one, they are very much useful in medical research. Fourth one, they are essential in demographic research. Fifth one, they are highly useful to an individual by the way of recording birth, death, marriage, and divorce during lifetime. They are also, sixth point, they are also of great use at the international point of view. Seventh one, they are of great use of the government to assess the impact of family welfare programs in the country. Eighth one, they are used in actuarial. Now let us recall again what are the uses of vital statistics. They are of great use in planning and evaluation of economic and social development of a country. Second one, they are useful to government agencies for administrative purposes. Third one, they are very much useful in medical research. Fourth one, they are essential in demographic research. Fifth one, they are highly useful to an individual by the way of recording birth, death, marriage, and divorce during lifetime. They are also of great use at the international point of view. Seventh one, they are of great use to the government to assess the impact of family welfare programs in the country. And eighth one, they are also used in actuarial science. So these are the uses of vital statistics. and in various fields they are being used. Next, let us learn about two words you might have come across in your earlier school classes. If not, let us learn now. The word fertility. What do you mean by the word fertility? Fertility refers to the birth occurring to women of childbearing age. Fertility refers to the births occurring to women of childbearing age. The childbearing age refers to the age of females between 15 and 49 years. The childbearing age of females between 15 to 49 years is called as the fertility period, and this is also called as germination period. Next is the word fecundity. Fecundity refers to the capacity of woman to bear child. Fecundity means the capacity of woman to bear child. Fertility refers to the births occurring to women of childbearing age, and that too between the age of 15 to 49. Between the age of 15 and 49, and it is also called as a germination period. Next, the word is fecundity. It is nothing but the capacity of woman to bear the child. The capacity of woman to bear the child is known as fecundity. Next, let us know what are the measures of fertility. Now, there are the four measures of fertility. First one, crude birth rate. Second one, general fertility rate. Third one, age specific fertility rate. And fourth one, total fertility rate. Crude birth rate, it is also shortly denoted as CBR. General fertility rate, it is GFR. Age specific fertility rate, ASFR. Total fertility rate, it is TFR. So students, kindly learn these abbreviations as well as the full form. In further classes we will be going on with the abbreviation, so kindly know the full forms of these abbreviation, that is crude birth rate CBR, general fertility rate GFR, age specific fertility rate ASFR, total fertility rate TFR. So for the problems it will be asked with the short forms or the abbreviation, so kindly by heart these abbreviations. So here we wind up today's class. Students, kindly make keynotes of these. Notes will be given